another video. Today we're coming to you from the Decatur RV REV Service and Repair Center, where we're about to get some warranty repairs on our 2022 Fleetwood Frontier. Woohoo! So join us on this journey and we'll show you what we experienced. Listen, birds. Big signs. Lots of money. Groups of them. They're funny. The way it was. The way it is. Back to 40 Junction.
Here's Black 40 Junction. Restaurant. Yeah, that's interesting. We should go there. Turn right.
I'd love to see you smile again. Watch your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to fall. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again.
You have arrived.
Orientation here at the Decatur REV RV Service Center. Here's a quick little glimpse of the inside, but now we're going to go inside. Good morning. Here's a fellow service person here. Is the door open yet?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Good morning, Miss Jackie.
Good morning, Jackie.
How are you?
All right.
Good morning, welcome to REV. Good morning, welcome to REV. If you don't have one, we'll make sure everybody gets this packet. Kind of go through it a little bit. The colored section in the back. Up in the corner, hospital stack care ER. There's also a vet. Some other businesses have advertised here. If you see something and you go visit, let them know you saw it here. They would appreciate that. Opposite it's a map of Decatur. On the other side of that map, it talks about weather. It tells you you're in Adams County, gives you the surrounding counties. We are using the restrooms down here as the storm shelter. This is directions if you want a basement. If the weather gets really nasty, there's a city-county building. The fire department will open it up and their number's on here, okay? If you forget what I said, a lot of it's on this colored sheet up here. You should get a badge while you're here. Yours is slightly different. It'll get you in the far door. Get you into the restrooms and the laundry after hours. They expire every week, so if you're here next Monday, they don't expire till midnight, but come in Monday afternoon and let me know you're still here, you're still in that lot number, or you've switched, and remind me to renew your badge, okay? Or whoever's sitting up here. It's getting that time of year, we need everybody to use jack pads with their jacks. When you leave, please turn your badges in. Tow dollies and trailers can go between your motorhomes. If they don't fit there, there's some space over here. If you have the tow bars and cables, make sure they're secured to your bumper, they don't get damaged coming in the building. The service advisors are going to come up. Usually it's Greg, April, sometimes Jody. Greg is off this week, so mostly it's going to be April. They're going to call your name, go through the repairs with you. The technician will be up here too. When she gets done, the technician will go out to the motorhome with you. If there's anything you want to show him then, button everything up. Take what you need for the day. Commonly forgotten things, phones and chargers, foods and drinks for the day. There's a refrigerator upstairs and a microwave. Medications, wallets, pet supplies, things like that we forget. Sometimes reading glasses. When you get ready to pay, if there's insurance or extended warranty applies to your repairs, let your service advisor know today they can get the paperwork filed. If you have any customer pay at the end, you're going to pay it in a check or credit card. We prefer not to take cash. We are pet friendly here on the ground floor. Upstairs is workstations in a quieter area. We prefer the animals to stay down here, please. They can be anywhere down here. Please clean up after your pets. If you put them on the couch, they ask that you put a heavy rug or mat or something under them to prevent damage. If you like to go to lunch with your pets, Wings, etc. has a pet patio out front, well, a patio. You can take your pets in. So does 9 Mile. 9 Mile's right on 27 before you get to Fort Wayne. I think Java Bean in the spring is going to put up some tables out back. They're a coffee shop uptown. They do have some light meals for lunch. If you're leaving, take your service advisor's card with you so you have contact information. I do have visitor guides for Fort Wayne. There's also some 3-ring binders on this desk, and they're labeled Decatur, Fort Wayne, whatever. People that have gone out and about that found things they liked, they brought back literature for the future customers. So if you have any other questions, please come see me at the desk, okay? Thank you.
you for watching this video with us. We just ask you to remember to always open the doors to adventure and start all your journeys with
The RV Keys.
Have a great day.